National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Benton County in West Tennessee, southeastern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paris Landing State Park to near Gleason, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Hagler Ridge, Big Sandy Unit, Tennessee National Wildlife Refuge, Van Dyke, Springville, Manleyville, Spring Creek, Big Sandy, Paris Landing State Park, Old Springville, Henry, and McKenzie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Benton and Henry.